Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix invalid kernel handle BSOD error 0x00000093. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on start. Now type cmd, right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now here type this simple command sfc /scan now, then press enter. Now guys, this scanning process will take a couple of minutes, so complete this scan process, and once this complete, restart your PC or laptop, and after restart guys, again type here cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator, and this time guys you have to type this command dism /online /cleanup -sign image /restore health, then press enter. So type this command line and press enter. It will take a few minutes, so wait and complete this process, and once this scanning will complete, again close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, after restart, now you can fix and resolve invalid kernel handle BSOD error 0x00000093. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.